Hey everyone. So today we're going to be reviewing and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this YOLENY Hardtop Gazebo. So I've had this gazebo now for about 2 years. It has been absolutely amazing. One of the things I really love about this is the craftsmanship. Very well made. It is made with a high quality aluminum frame. So you're going to get that durability, that sturdiness, and it's not flimsy whatsoever. Very easy to assemble. I had this up in about an hour or so, which is great. Also does come with these curtains here and this netting. So if you want more privacy or you want to keep bugs out, you can just close it and it slides back and forth, which is actually pretty cool. It does come with this double roof feature, allowing for air to kind of insulate and circulate through nicely, which is great. Also, you can hang up an outdoor ceiling fan or a light, which is another great addition to this as well. So if you guys are looking for a gazebo for your home, that's a great, very well made, very beautifully designed, provides your space with a nice aesthetic. Consider this one. I highly recommend it. As you can see, right there's the sliders. That's that double tracking system. Sorry, the lighting was a little bit off, but everything about this gazebo is heavy duty. This here's the overlapping system on the gutters. You can see there's no gaps. And I like that they use 4-inch bars for all of the framing and everything is nice galvanized metal. I'm loving it, y'all.